used to wear the hijab all the time. But the thing is, I work in a high school. I don't wear it anymore. And
Why?
That is every single day, at the end of the day, when I'm driving back home, it kind of gets to me. As you said, it's just that, I don't know, I'm so overwhelmed trying to wear it. And I hate myself for that, frankly speaking. I always question myself, like, why am I not wearing it? Is it because of the other people I'm working with? Or is it just the environment? Where am I stuck?
Quit your job, and I mean it. If my job gonna take me from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, it doesn't worth it. As I always say this to myself, don't sell your akhirah for your dunya. It's a lost stock market. Quit if you cannot be you, who you are, who you want to be, who you are actually. At work, quit the job. You have awe of Allah, He will give you not a job in high school, He will give you even better. One option. Or you go tomorrow and wear it on Monday. Before you leave, Ya qawi qawini. You are the strong, keep me strong. No other options. There's no tomorrow I will do it. Because tomorrow shaitan is going to come to you. Doesn't worth it, ladies and gentlemen and brothers and sisters. Doesn't worth it. Wallah. You know, there's this beautiful statement. I don't know who said it. And he said, Al-aqil, the wise person who leaves dunya before dunya leaves him or her. وَعَمَّرَ قَبْرَهُ قَبْلَ أَن يَدْخُلَهُ. And flourish and build his or her grave, not homes, before he or she enters. And look at the last one. And he pleased his Lord before he or she meets him. Put these three in you before you go to school. When you are getting dressed, get ready. Put these three and see if you're not going to do the hijab. And I ask everybody in this room, including myself, please make a dua for you. Because you don't know whose dua will be responded, who Allah will accept. And if she gets strong, Allah knows how many people who have the same issue. They will see you, they will follow you. You know, it's a domino effect. The negative is domino effect, but the positive is also domino effect. May Allah keep you strong. I always ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Ya Allah, keep me straight, steadfast on your path. Ya Rabbi.